Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Riz English Channel. How are you today?
Hi, Riz. I am good, thank you. And you?
I am very good, thank you. I am happy you are here today.
Me too. I like learning English with you.
That's great. Today we have an interesting topic. Can you guess what it is?
Maybe about food?
Not today. Today we are talking about current political news.
Political news? That sounds hard.
Don't worry, we will keep it very simple. You will learn some easy words and phrases to talk about news.
Okay, I am ready.
Good. Let's start. Do you watch the news?
Yes, sometimes. I watch the news on TV.
Very nice. The first word for today is politics. Politics means government, leaders, and rules in a country.
Okay, politics means government and leaders.
That's right. The second word is current news. It means the news that is happening now.
Current news means news happening now.
Excellent. The next word is debate. A debate is when people talk about different ideas or argue politely.
Debate means people talk and share ideas.
Perfect. Now you know 3 new words: politics, current news, and debate. Yesterday I read some news about an election in another country.
Oh, really? What happened?
People voted for their new leaders. Some people were happy. Some people were not.
I see. Voting means choosing a leader, right?
Yes, voting means choosing a leader or a government.
Okay, voting means choosing.
Great. When you want to tell someone about news, you can say, I read in the news that, for example, I read in the news that the president gave a speech.
I read in the news that the president gave a speech.
Nice. And when you want to ask about news, you can say, did you hear about, for example, did you hear about the election?
Did you hear about the election?
Exactly. These 2 phrases are very useful when you talk about news. Let's learn another important word. It's opinion.
What does opinion mean?
Opinion means what you think or feel about something.
Okay, so an opinion is what I think.
Correct. You can say, in my opinion, to share your thoughts politely. For example, in my opinion, the new rules are good.
In my opinion, the new rules are good.
Excellent. What is your opinion about the news today?
In my opinion, politicians should work for people.
Well said, Zoe. Let's learn some new words about leaders and government. The first one is president, then prime minister, then government. And one more, parliament.
President, Prime Minister, Government, Parliament. Got it.
Great. Let's use them in sentences. The president gave a speech yesterday. The government made new rules about schools.
The president gave a speech. The government made new rules.
Perfect. You are doing great. Let's do a small question round. Ready?
Yes.
Who is the leader of a country?
The president or the prime minister.
Good. What do people do in an election?
People vote for leaders.
Excellent. What word means your ideas or thoughts?
Opinion.
Perfect. You are learning fast today. Sometimes countries have big political events like elections, debates, or protests.
What does protest mean?
A protest is when people show they are unhappy about something. They can walk in the street or hold signs.
Oh, I see. Protest means people show unhappiness.
That's right. For example, people protested against the new rule.
People protested against the new rule.
Excellent. News can be positive or negative.
Positive and negative?
Yes, positive means good. Negative means bad. For example, the news about new schools is positive. The news about a big problem in the city is negative.
Positive is good, negative is bad.
Correct. Now, let's make a short conversation using the new words. Hi, Zoe. Did you hear about the election yesterday?
Yes, I read in the news that the president gave a speech.
What is your opinion about the new president?
In my opinion, the new president is good.
Did you hear about the protest in the city?
Yes, people protested because they are unhappy.
Excellent. That sounds very natural.
Thank you, Riz.
You are welcome. Let's review today's key words. Politics, current news, debate, voting, opinion, president, prime minister, government, parliament, protest, positive, negative.
Those are many useful words.
Yes, and they help you talk about news in English.
I will try to use them when I watch the news.
That's a good idea. Let's give our listeners a little practice task. Try this at home or with a friend. Ask someone, "Did you hear about?" and then share your opinion using "in my opinion." Use words like president, government, or protest.
That's fun. I will try it too.
Great. Remember, the more you practice, the faster you learn.
Yes, practice every day.
Exactly. And dear listeners, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. It helps more people learn English with us.
Yes, please subscribe.
One last tip before we go. Listen to the news in English every day, even short news. Repeat the words you understand. You will learn quickly.
Thank you, Riz. I learned many new words today.
You are welcome, Zoe. You did very well.
I feel more confident now.
Perfect. To all our listeners, keep practicing English, keep speaking, and don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, mistakes are okay.
Every day you learn something new. Every small step counts.
Thank you, Riz. I am excited for the next episode.
Me too, Zoe. And thank you, everyone, for listening today. See you in the next episode of Riz English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning English and have fun.
Bye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.